Beautiful souls, I hope you're all doing well. And right now I'm going to do another flip through video, and the card deck that I'm going to feature today is the Animal Wisdom Tarot, and it's by Brunke. This is an inspirational guide to using tarot cards and their meanings, and this one is the Cardstock. So let's take a look at the guidebook first. And it says at the back, this guide to the Animal Wisdom Tarot includes an introduction to the basics of how to read cards and use tarot spreads, and features two animal-inspired layouts as well as sample reading. That's nice. And a full-page description of each card and its associated meaning. Animal advice and teaching is included alongside the card itself. And the significance of the major arcana, minor arcana, court cards, numbers, and the four sets of branches, feathers, fossils, and shells is all explained. That's awesome. That's great. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So there's the table of contents, and let's have a look. Table of contents, what is tarot? It's explained. The Animal Wisdom Tarot, the major arcana, the minor arcana explained, four suits, the court cards, beautiful, the quick guide to numbers, how to read the tarot cards, the basics. This is pretty much very educational suggestions. There are tarot cards, tarot spreads. All right, the sample reading, Celtic cross. This is so nice. And there is the reason, the picture of the card itself, the card number, traditional name, the keynote, and the explanation, or that is the card interpretation maybe, and there is the message. Cool. That's very, very awesome. Cool. I like that. And by the way, the box of this one is a little bit strange because it's on the opening is on the side, which is, it's a little bit not the traditional. And there you go. So let's dive into the cardstock. Alrighty, so it's a little bit heavy for my small hand, and it is glossy on a thin side, very thin. And look at the back. Wow, that is so cute. The coyote. Oh, so the full image is the one on the back of each card. So that's cute. It's a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's larger than the regular card deck. And let's take a look on each card now. So we have the coyote, the trickster. So this is the fool in the in the traditional tarot deck, So we have the raven, the messenger of magic, the cat, the knower of secrets. They are so cute, hey? They have a very subtle visual effect, and what I like here too is it's borderless. So it's really, really beautiful. Cow, this is the Empress. So we have the ram, the earth father. Bull, keeper of sacred tradition. Honeybee, heart awakener. That's so cute. Horse, spirit of freedom. Lion, ruler of the open heart. Owl, keeper of the light. Spider, the sacred spinner. The elephant, bearer of justice. Bat, master of suspension. The moth, omen of death. Swan, angel of alchemy. We have the goat, shadow god of liberation. Serpent, the quickener. Peacock. Rabbit. Oh, this is so cute. So adorable. I love this. The rooster, call to awakening. Crocodile and butterfly, masters of discernment. This is so cute. Oh my god. The whale, the all-encompassing. Snake, the ace of branches. Okay, so branches, what is that in the traditional tarot? Okay, so the branches is the wands. All right, so this is the suit of wands. Salamander. Toad, the tree of branches. Firefly, four of branches. This is so beautiful. I'm loving these images. The artistry is awesome. Hummingbird, the six of branches. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Lizard, the seven of branches. The eight of wands is the jaguar. Lynx, the nine of branches. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Scarab beetle, the 10 of branches. Holy! It's so vibrant. That's so cool. The seer of branches. The seeker of branches. The leopard, the nurturer of branches. The tiger, guardian of branches. Look at him. Holy, so feisty. So we have the shell suit. So the shells is, what is the shells? So the shells is the cups. The suit of cups. So ace of shells, ace of cups. The two of cups, the two of shells is the dolphin. They're so cute. They're so lovely. Otter. Oh my god, look at that. They are so cute. Super cute. Crab, the four of shells. Jellyfish, the five of shells. Manatee, six of shells. They're so cute. They're all cute. Oh my god. Sea lion, seven of shells. The octopus, the eight of shells. Salmon, my favorite, nine of shells. We have the hippo, 10 of shells. The penguin, zero of shells. Polar bear, sticker of shells. Oh my god, look at the background. They are beautiful. The color palettes on each card is really, really beautiful. I love it. So we have the sea turtle, nurturer of shells. The shark, the guardian of shells. Bison, ace of fossils. So what is fossils? Fossils is the pentacles. This is the pentacles. Alright, the suit of pentacles, two of fossils. Prairie dog, the three of fossils. Rat, the four of fossils. Donkey. Oh, this is so adorable. Look at that. Pentacles on his back. That is so cute. I think the choice of animals on this deck is what well thought of. They are well thought out, definitely. So this is the 6 of fossils, the gorilla having a party there. Deer, 7 of fossils. They're adorable. Oh my god. Beaver, I love this. 8 of fossils. The wolf is the 9 of fossils. Dog, the 10 of fossils. Oh my god, look at the kid. He's so adorable with the dogs. Raccoon, the seer of fossils. Llama, seeker of fossils. Pig, nurturer of fossils. Bear, guardian of fossils. Stork, the feathers. Feathers is, what is feathers in the traditional tarot? It's the swords. So this is the suit of swords. Heron, the 2 feathers. Grosbeak, the 3 of feathers. Loon, 4 of feathers. Blue jay, 5 of feathers. Communication, hey, that's right. Pelican, the 6 of feathers. Magpie, oh my god, yeah, 7 of feathers. Magpie loves peanuts. Albatross, 8 of feathers. Crow, 9 of feathers. Vulture, 10 of feathers. Parrot, seer of feathers. Oh, they are so lovely. Oh my god. Falcon, seeker of feathers. Ibis, nurturer of feathers. Eagle, the guardian of feathers. Oh my god, I love this. Super. Super. I super love this. I super love this. Let's try to, this is a little bit big for my tiny hands, but it's cool. It just shuffles nicely, doesn't stick together, it's just a little bit slippery, so it's perfect. It's cool. And what I love about this deck is the images. The images are so subtle, yet it has a beautiful visual effect, and I just loved it. All right, I hope you loved it too, hey? I wish you have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you for your time, and I'm sending you love and light. Bye.